How to redeem Fortnite V Bucks code on Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's instructional video, I'll be demonstrating the step-by-step process redeeming your Fortnite V Bucks code for your Nintendo Switch. It is a straightforward and efficient procedure, so be sure to pay close attention. As you can observe that I am commencing this tutorial on the official Fortnite website rather than on the Nintendo Switch. This is because in order to successfully redeem a V-Bucks card or V-Bucks code, you must utilize the Fortnite website, and it cannot be done through your Nintendo Switch. Therefore, grab your computer or phone and open a web browser and navigate to the www.fortnite.com. At this point, you have the option to either sign in immediately or choose to do so later. Simply click on More at the top of this window and click on V-Bucks. Upon selecting the V-Bucks, you will promptly be redirected to a page where you can redeem your V-Bucks card. If you are not signed in, a prompt will instruct you to sign in, at which point you can select Nintendo Switch or Nintendo account. And once signed in, click on Get Started and a box will appear allowing you to input your code or PIN and proceed with the setup. As long as you are signed in the correct Nintendo account, and your V-Bucks will be delivered immediately after redeeming the code. So this is basically on how can you redeem the Fortnite V-Bucks code on Nintendo Switch. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial in guiding you through the process. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing for more convenient and efficient tips. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.